Hi guys! So today I'm going to teach you how to make tiny pencils out of toothpicks. And there is no paint involved in this, even though it kind of seems like you would have to paint it. It's so much easier to use markers. I have tried it, obviously, and it works out really well. So, first of all, what you want to do is take a toothpick and cut it in half. It doesn't matter if it's like perfectly in half, because not all, oops, I just made that go flying. But anyways, it's not all pencils are the same size, so it's actually pretty cool because you can make it like any size that you want it. So now I'm gonna make a yellow pencil. Well, first of all, the colors that you need for sure are green, pink, and black, and then you can decide if you want a yellow or an orange pencil. Depends on which one like you normally use. I made both, but I honestly like the yellow better. So what you're gonna want to do, okay, so if you're doing the orange one, do not color it all orange, but if you're using the yellow one, you want to color it from, I don't know, just like hold on near the tip, then go from your fingers all the way to the bottom, all the way around. This is gonna be like sort of like the paint on one. There we go. Now we have that. So now we're gonna start on the eraser. Take your green and just make a line around near the end, like so. Then you're gonna take your pink, and from the green all the way to the end, you're gonna want to color it all pink there. Then also do it on this like top part of it. Sorry if this is kind of hard to see, but there we go. Now we have basically like your normal pencil, but now you have to make the lead, because you can't use a pencil without lead. Just saying, these pencils are not actually usable because they're made of markers, and made with markers. But anyways, so you're just gonna wanna, you can do it however big you want to, but just color on some black to the tip, and also put it on the top like you did with the eraser. Now you have a pencil, and you can do that however many times you want, and it is super easy to make. It's also adorable. So make however many of these you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.